Hi everyone and welcome to the Skillhouse channel. My name is Vivek Kumar and I'll be your host for today. Now Skillhouse is a virtual learning space that brings together engineering students and top industry experts. We help students acquire industry-level technical skills alongside their graduation course to create better developers for the future. Today, we have with us the student of Skillhouse. His name is Pratheek. Now, Pratheek took his Skillhouse courses along with his main academic studies, and he recently got placed in a software development company called Aykan with a pay package of 5 lakhs per annum. Welcome, Pratheek.
Thank you, sir.
Pratheek, now you've got placed yourself in a company through Skillhouse, a company called Aykan. Are you excited?
Yes, I'm very happy. All thanks to my mentor, Mr. Vinod Kumar,
Yes.
who taught me all these industry level skills,
Yes.
which placed me in a company.
Right.
So this is important for me.
Excellent. Pratheek, you said that this is important for you. Why is this important for you?
So firstly, being a third year student,
Third year student.
I got placed in a very good company called Aykan.
Yes.
So secondly, their evaluation mechanisms are so good that I could able to pursue that thing. So
That the evaluation process as in the interview.
yeah, interview, there was no aptitude.
Mhm.
So it was completely skill based interview. So
Excellent.
so I'm very happy I cracked it and got placed in the company.
Super, super. That makes you very confident because it was
Yeah.
a skill that was tested.
Yeah.
Yes. Pratheek, you told us about the evaluation mechanism and all of that. Could you elaborate on how the evaluation mechanism was?
Yeah, as I said, there were no aptitude. It was completely based on our skills. They teach that skills like C#, Angular, and all the stuff, industry level stuff. They teach us, and they take interview based on that only.
Right.
Based on our skills, what we learned, they take the interview. They ask the questions about that only, so I got placed.
Excellent, excellent. Okay. Pratheek, you said that they tested you on skills based on Angular and C#. Just to be clear, were these subjects taught to you as a part of your curriculum?
No. These subjects are completely extracurricular. Like I learned all these skills from Skillhouse itself. So
That's why it was much easier for
Yeah.
you to crack your interviews. Yes. Why did you want to learn something new that was outside of your regular syllabus?
like in our college, they teach us only the fundamentals of C, C++, Java and all. They don't teach us like what industry accepts from us. They don't teach us that. So
So you mean to say it's not a part of the curriculum?
yeah, it is not a part of the curriculum. So in Skillhouse, what we learn is we learn the technologies what the companies accepts. Companies.
So right now, what are the companies that the trending technology?
The trending technologies that
working
companies
on.
are working on,
Yeah.
they teach us.
Okay.
So it will be helpful for us to work on that, work on projects like everything. This is a modern world, so
Correct.
there are technologies that we have to learn
Correct.
to do the work.
Exactly. Yes, very
So-
true. Very true. And which is what Aykan wanted with Angular
Yeah.
and C#.
So Skillhouse helped me in achieving that.
Super. Excellent. Excellent. Pratheek, what I would like to know is why Skillhouse? Why did you choose Skillhouse?
First of all, it was like I have to learn these modern technologies.
Correct.
And second, it was a mentor-based skill. Like there is one mentor, and in that there are only 6 people in that group.
Okay, one mentor and 6 people.
Yeah,
along
6
with
people
it. Yes.
in the group. So we can communicate with the mentor in the live. It's not like video, sending video, not like that.
Not like that.
So we communicate in live. So it was very helpful to clear our doubts.
Correct.
And all the stuffs what the students need to do in offline classes.
Correct, correct.
With that, we are learning some industry level skills.
Correct.
And all that.
How much time did you spend per day on these with the
Yeah.
mentor?
I spent 1 hour a day,
1 hour a
which
day.
was necessary because I had some other
Correct. So you can balance your college,
to balance the college
curriculum
life.
and, yes.
To do all that, 1 hour is must to
Correct.
spend to learn these technologies, which is necessary
That
for
is true.
an engineer to
Very true.
do.
Very true. So you have your basics over there, and you're learning your industry level skills here at Skillhouse.
So it was balancing.
It was balancing very well. Yes. Pratheek, very nice. Pratheek, so you said it's 1 hour per day. Was it flexible? Was it in the evenings?
Yeah, it was in the evenings. For me, it was like from 9 to 10 o'clock.
9 to 10 o'clock.
Which was like normal for me. No.
Correct. That's the time you can spend.
I can spend on
this. Did you need more than 1 hour? But 1 hour was more than enough for you.
1 hour, they feel enough knowledge in that 1 hour.
Excellent. So it's quality over quantity.
Quality over quantity.
Excellent. Very good. Very good. These sessions are online, correct? Why choose online sessions?
Because it is very helpful as a coder, because coding should be done in practical.
Correct.
Like they should be doing live sessions, like how the code works. Everything should be explained in detail.
True.
So in offline class, they teach us in board, which is not good thing. All the students don't understand doing it in the board.
Correct.
So in the online session, you can do coding live.
Correct.
You can you can execute the output. You can get the output in the live
screen.
In the screen itself. So it was very helpful to understand the concepts and all the things.
And in case you do a mistake, were you able to share the screen with your mentor?
We can communicate. We can also communicate using our screen also. So it was very helpful to show our screen and clear our doubts, asking the mentors where the mistake was. Everything we can ask with the mentor. So it was it is necessary for a coder
to do it in the online session. Plus it takes saves time from traffic also. You don't need to travel. Correct.
Exactly.
Pratheek, you told us your mentor's name, Vinod, right? Now tell us something about Vinod.
So he works in MNC. He has 10 years of experience in Microsoft Technologies. He teaches in a very good way. Like he uses MS Paint as his tool to where he can show. He can teach us through drawings. All the stuff.
That's nice.
He draws the stuff and teaches us.
That's I think the first time I'm seeing somebody drawing and teaching code.
Yeah.
Fascinating.
So he used to give some real world examples, like whatever the code we develop, he merges it with the real world, to make us a better understanding. For the better understanding, he used to do that. So and not only that, if any person don't understand, he teaches them separately until they properly understand every concept.
Concept. I think
so he was a great mentor.
Excellent. And double thumbs up for Vinod. He has been an excellent mentor. Thank you. Pratheek, you talked to us about technologies, and you said, I think, Angular. What is the course you took, and what are the skills that you learned?
Yeah, I learned ASP.NET, Angular, full stack development, and JavaScript, which was the base for everything, and TypeScript. So these are all the technologies that I learned from.
So it's the whole
package.
Whole package. Pratheek, how has learning at Skillhouse benefited you?
So as I'm moving on to final year, there will be projects which we have to do.
Correct.
So in Skillhouse, what I learned, I can use them. Like for the front end, I can use Angular, and for the back end, I can use C# ASP.NET on. So the Skillhouse leads me to the good beginning.
Correct.
So I'm very much grateful that.
And you've got placed.
Yeah, and I've got placed.
Very nice. Now, what's your advice to other students? Would you recommend Skillhouse?
Yeah. So to other students, if you can spend 60 minutes of your life every day, what you can do is you can, being an engineer, it is necessary for a particular student to achieve all the skills that the industry needs, because the school, what it offers, like it only teaches us fundamentals. So what industry needs, we need to know. In the Skillhouse platform, we learn all these things. With the confident, you can.
So you're confident within the whole IT industry.
Yeah.
As such. You have your skills to be confident.
Yeah, you have your skills. So with the confident, you can achieve anything in the IT world.
Pratheek, thank you so much for coming on the Skillhouse channel. It was a pleasure talking to you.
Yeah, thank you, sir. It was a pleasure meeting you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you, Pratheek.